Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Liz the Stylist, and today I'll be giving a tutorial of how to do chunky knotless twists using wool, Brazilian yarn or wool. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Enjoy. So you will need wool. I used 5 packs, a pair of scissors, a rat tail comb, a lighter and sheen spray. I like starting my hairstyles from the back, and I also prefer working in sections. I decided to do knotless twists because I love knotless braids, so I thought why not just try doing knotless twists, and they turned out great. So I started off with a knotless braid, and then I transitioned into twisting while adding in hair, the Brazilian wool, along the way until I got the right size, the right chunky size. So the size will be up to you. You'll get to decide what size you want, and then you can stop adding in the Brazilian wool. One tip I will give is if you like your head or hairstyles fuller, don't go for this knotless method. Try crocheting from the roots so that the twists can be the same size and it will give your head a fuller look. Once you're done with the twists, you'll go in with a pair of scissors and cut off the excess hair, and then use your lighter to get rid of the flyaways. Go in with your sheen spray to get that shine because wool tends to look dull. And we're done. This is the final look. Chunky, knotless wool twists. This hairstyle is light and ouchless. If you know me, you know I like my hairstyles ouchless. I love how chunky they are. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.